Hi, my name is Zainab.
Hi, my name is Maria.
Hi, my name is Roائع.
Hi, my name is Estella.
And we're the burger team.
Who created the burger was from the US, and his name is Louis Lasser. The ingredients of the burger is
lettuce,
meat and buns
tomatoes,
and cheese. Let's start. And now we're gonna get the bread and start it. And we're finished. And then we're gonna some peppers.
And now I'm gonna put ketchup on mine.
Now we're done the first sandwich. And then we're gonna put a little potatoes and onion rings. Hey.
We hope you like it.
For today's pizza, we're gonna need for the sauce 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, and garlic. We're gonna need the peppers and corn, and definitely cheese. For dough, we're gonna need flour, milk, and butter, and yeast, and baking powder, and some powdered milk.
First of all, let's start with the flour. We're gonna pour 100 grams of flour, then 100 grams of water.
So I'm starting with the sauce. Girls, what do you think about our pizza?
I'm positive about it.
I think it will be tasty.
I agree with you.
I totally agree. We already finished the dough and everything inside the dough. Now it's time to put it in here, put the butter, and to get the Italian culture ever since 1898. Fun fact, we might not be doing a margarita pizza, but did you know that margarita pizza is named after a queen? That's insane. I don't actually like cheese. I don't agree with her. You do that.
Love a cheesy pizza.
No.
Really?
Okay, so now we're gonna put the pizza in the oven. It's gonna be about 180 degrees for like 15 to 20 minutes. Yes.
And now, let's wait.
Hi guys, today we'll be making cinnamon rolls. My name is Fatima, her name is Haneen. We have already prepared the dough, and the ingredients are
Milk powder, flour, eggs, sugar, and butter.
and so we'll be starting to make the filling and stuff. You need flour to knead the dough. So as I said, today we'll be making the filling, and the filling contains butter and sugar and some cinnamon. So first we have to take a chunk of butter and heat it up. We'll be adding some butter. So now we'll be adding the cinnamon and sugar. So now, since we're done with the filling, we have to roll it up. So now we have to butter up the pan so the cinnamon rolls do not stick to the pan and it will be hard after cooking to take it off. And now we'll just put it in the oven for high heat for about 25 minutes, and then we take it out and drizzle over the condensed milk. And then we'll be done with the dessert. Thank you for joining us in this journey. Bye.
Hi guys, today we're gonna make
Muffin cakes. A fun fact about muffin cakes, it's actually named after a French word, which is mouflette, which means soft bread.
First, we have a ready-made cake batter. We made it from basic stuff like flour, butter, eggs, oil, etc.
Yeah.
And
then we're gonna add chocolate chips to it. You can add white chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips to your preference. So we're gonna add them. Be generous with your chocolate chips so it would taste delicious.
the chocolate chips we have here are dark chocolate chips. You can choose white chocolate chips or white chocolate chips.
Or whatever.
Here we're gonna mix the chocolate chips into our muffin cake batter.
And then you also should have muffins cups to add your batter in here so you can put them in the oven.
And now we're gonna pour it into our
Muffin cup.
Here we're gonna add some on the top.
And it's ready to be in the oven.
And later we're gonna put it in a 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven for almost 15 minutes. And then
This is the product that you would have. These are the
and then
products.
we get
These fluffy muffin cake. While she's drizzling the chocolate, we have some decoration to put on top. We have pearls, edible pearls. We also have some sprinkles, so I'm gonna open them.
these are edible
Pearls.
and some sprinkles.
And this is how to make a muffin cake.
Today we will make kabsa. It's originally a Saudi Arabian dish, and over the years it became so famous and spread worldwide. Different Arab people started doing kabsa in different ways. For example, Syrian kabsa, Palestinian kabsa, Lebanese kabsa. So today we're going to do.
What we will be needing is rice, chicken, tomato sauce, and some spices and some cooking oil and vegetables. First we will put cups of spices.
What do you think, girl?
I think it's gonna be good.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
Come on,
Looks
flip it.
delicious. Okay. Bismillah.
Bismillah, come on.
we're gonna bake a cake. The cake at the first it's made in Egypt. It's an old dessert. Then it's covered to America like a cupcake.
People make it in many occasions like graduations, weddings and birthdays. And today we will make the vanilla type of.
We have one thing that your birthday is nothing without the cake. You just make the cake to make the moment is more happier. For the ingredients, we have eggs, oil, sugar, vanilla and baking powder, the milk and the flour. First of all, we need to separate the egg yolk and the egg white. Then we need the mixer. Firstly, we need to mix it together with the sugar. We need 1 cup and a half.
We need 2 baking powder.
Yeah.
Now we will pour the mixture into mold.
We're gonna do another one with the same steps. We did a vanilla cake. At the bottom we have 3 layers of white cream and some banana. And the top we have 3 layers covered by a dark purple cream and some banana.